throw a Korean cast net from the shore. First, coil the net until it reaches about arm height, so it would be right here. Then take a strand of beads and put it behind your elbow, and then take right here, take one of these strings of beads from the inside along with another group of rings or notice rings. Then bend your elbow and turn and spin. So I'll just do it. And when the time you spin, when you reach the front, you release. So like this. Now, a tip for throwing this net, you'll release your right hand first and then your left hand last when throwing this net. This will increase the spread of the net. Alright, wait, let me try again. Here's a side view for you of throwing this cast net. Show you how to throw a net in the sea. First, let's coil the net, and for this we're gonna coil until it reaches the orange piece shaded in the net, so about right here, higher, so that you could reach for by your elbow. Then take a group of these rings and cast it behind your elbow, bent. Take a row of rings, and for this throw, since we're not spinning, we're gonna do a pendulum throw. So it's gonna go like tilt back and then throw. So like this. When throwing the net at sea, try to keep your best to not let the net touch the water, giving your ability to throw the net better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe.